Okay, so I know I already uploaded a video today, and so I'm actually going to hit you guys with a second one. What I want to let you know is I started a second YouTube channel called Eric Small Engines NJ. There's already another Gmail user called Eric Small Engines. I did notice that there's not a YouTube channel called that, but out of respect, I went ahead and still added the NJ. So what I'm going to try to do is a lot of my lawnmower stuff I'm going to switch over to upload in here. There may be still ones I upload at both. Right now my other computer is uploading a video there. But really all I'm doing is I am just, rather than cluttering up my YouTube channel, I mean, I know it's called a variety channel, but rather than cluttering it up with a little bit of everything, um, I'm going to try to do a lot of smaller videos on the main channel and then the bigger videos here, or vice versa. I haven't quite figured it out yet. This one's a test video. It didn't turn out the way I wanted it to, but I'm going to upload it anyway because I think that, I just want to have something there to start at and see what happens. See if people subscribe. See if people are going to what people are going to do. I don't know what they're going to do yet, but we'll see how they react to it. So, but yeah, that's what I'm going to be doing here. Obviously, because I'm starting out a new channel, this one's not going to be monetized until I have, I don't know how many hours of viewers and all that. So I will. So I'm definitely going to have to keep working on the main channel. So in most weekends that I have off, I'm going to have to do videos for both channels, and that's going to be a bit of a pain in the butt, but it's going to. I hope it's going to be worth it in the end. So hopefully, probably by the time you see this video that you're watching now, the video that will be linked, or I'm going to link the channel, not the video, but that will be live. So if you guys want to see the small engine repair videos, click the link below and subscribe to that. Or if you have any thoughts or concerns or whatever, you can make sure you put them in the comments below. But I just wanted to let my audience know what is going on. So that's pretty much it. I'm starting a second channel. I may or may not do automotive content on there yet, but I'm not going to set up a third account just to do automotive. That's way too much to handle. Two accounts is going to be bad enough, but I think we'll be able to make this work. Anyway, thanks for watching. Have a blessed day, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.